आज मैं अंकिता घोष कक्षा पंचम वर्ग से अपने भारत के बारे में कहने जा रही हूँ। ऐसा होगा मेरे सपनों का भारत। मैं भारत की रहने वाली हूँ। भारत खुद में एक समृद्ध सांस्कृतिक विरासत है। मुझे अपने भारत पर गर्व है। प्राचीन काल में भारत को सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था। संसार के सभी देश भारत के साथ व्यापार करने के उत्सुक रहते थे। वही भारत आज गंदगी, निर्धनता और भुखमरी का शिकार है। इसलिए मैं ऐसे भारत का सपना देखती हूँ जहाँ पर सब शिक्षित हो, कोई भ्रष्टाचार ना हो, कोई अत्याचार ना हो, स्वच्छता, स्वास्थ्य और हरियाली हो, समान रोजगार का अवसर प्राप्त हो, तकनीकी रूप से उन्नत हो, महिलाओं को सम्मान दिया जाए, बाल मजदूरी का अंत हो, प्रति व्यक्ति आय इतनी हो कि इंसान अपने भोजन, वस्त्र और आवास की समस्या का समाधान कर सके। भारत विकसित देश कहलाए। मैं तो देख रही हूँ सपना ऐसे हिंदुस्तान का, जन्म जहाँ पे होगा आखिर नए सुखी इंसान का। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। आज मैं अर्पिता यशस्वी इन खूबसूरत पंक्तियों से अपने सपनों के भारत को अभिव्यक्त करने जा रही हूँ। शिक्षा में सबसे ज्यादा ताकत होती है, इसलिए मैं चाहती हूँ मेरे सपनों के भारत का साक्षरता दर 100% हो। साथ ही साथ बेरोजगारी, गरीबी, भूखमरी, जातिवाद, सांप्रदायिक दंगे, लड़का लड़की में भेदभाव, भ्रूण हत्या इत्यादि का नामो निशान न हो। हम मनुष्य को अच्छा जीवन जीने के लिए एक अच्छा वातावरण और खाने को अनाज होना चाहिए। इसलिए मैं चाहती हूँ मेरे सपनों के भारत में कृषि, उद्योग, विज्ञान एवं तकनीक, चिकित्सा सुविधाएं, रक्षा व एक बहुत अच्छा वातावरण होना चाहिए। मैं अपने सपनों के भारत में चाहती हूँ कि प्रेम की गंगा बहे, सभी लोगों में आपस में भाईचारा हो और मन में सद्भावना रहे। मेरे सपनों का भारत हर आपदा प्रबंधन में कुशल हो, ताकि किसी भी तरह की मानवीय व प्राकृतिक आपदा से भारत खुद को सुरक्षित रख सके। अंत में मैं केवल इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ, सपने हमारे हैं तो उन्हें पूरा भी हमें ही करना होगा और मैं उन्हें पूरा करके दिखाऊंगी। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद।
Hi everyone, I am Riddhi Singh from class 5th C. Today, I have got a golden opportunity to say some lines about India of my dreams. So let's get started. In the India of my dreams, there will be peace and harmony. It would be a place where everyone enjoys the right of equality. Equal opportunities of education and employment should be given to everyone. People should understand the importance of education. The discrimination between boys and girls should not happen in India. People will be safe and free to move anywhere. There will be no differences on the basis of caste, color, creed and religion on women. The highest standard of cleanliness will be maintained in India. In the short, India of my dream will be a beautiful, peaceful, safe and clean India. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Mahak from Odisha. Oh, not from Odisha, but from India. The India of my dream will be a place where women and girls could walk freely on the road whenever and wherever they like, and they are given equal respect and rights. Furthermore, I want India to be a place where no racial discrimination would exist based on caste, creed, religion, race, and everyone could enjoy their freedom of equality in true sense. In addition to this, I want India to develop and grow as much as it can. Furthermore, I want India to be a place of peace, harmony, rich culture, and heritage. In addition to this, I want India to be the best one in the world and maintain high standards of cleanliness and hygiene. As we all know, in today's world, without education is nothing. So I want in India everyone to be literate, and I want in India everyone to be happy and respected. All other professions and work should be respected. I want India to be the truth, and everyone should speak the truth, and there would be no corruption, violence, hunger, etc. Hoping so that India will fulfill my dream in my future. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shakti Diya. Women empowerment. Women empowerment refers to making to women powerful. India still lag behind in women empowerment so that women can be literate to make a life themselves. There is a lot of discrimination against women, but still the women are stepping out of the house. However, we have hard work to change the mindset of society. The India of my dream would be a country where women are safe and walk freely on road. Also, it will be a place where there is freedom of equality to all and everyone can enjoy it in the true sense. Thank you.
Ma'am, my name is Kritika Pandey. I study in class 5E. I am going to tell about India of my dreams. Now I would like to start. I want to make my country independent for everything. There will not any crime in our country. And we will live peacefully with each other. There will be not any discrimination about religions. These are some points which I want to make my country. Thank you and have a peaceful day.
Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. India is my nation and I am pleased to be a part of this largest democracy and a wonderful country. But still, I have many wishes for my country. However, I might want to specify few of it in only a couple of words. I want to see my India as the top nation on the planet in terms of development and education. Every citizen of India must get basic education and facility to live and develop. People of India must regard one another. I also wish that our elected officials must take care of their voters and help in the improvement of our country. Every citizen of India gets equivalent rights no matter what caste, religion or gender do they belong. I also want to see my India perfect and green. I also wish that every citizen of my country, especially the ladies and kids, feel secure and the government should concentrate more on their security. I want a country where all have basic facilities like food, education, employment, so that they got equal chance to develop. Free electricity and water must be given in each home. At last, I need my India to look like a paradise and get protected from evil powers like terrorism, corruption and so on. This is my desire and the strongest wish for my country. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I would do a saying of India of my dream. My dream country will be a stable country without any fraction in social life. My countrymen would be free from all ill feeling of caste, creed, color, language, etc., etc. They will be all think that they are Indians out and out. About 50% of country population are illiterate. Because of this, they live their miserable life. In my dreamland, I would drive a mass education program and turn everyone literate. But these two things, literacy and removal of fraction of social life and happy land. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today I am Tejasri of class 5B going to speak about my dream of a beautiful India. India of my dream is a country full of peace, harmony, compassion and happiness. It will be a country where all the countrymen are educated and responsible enough for the country's development. In the India of my dream, I shall see many traditional artists of classical dancing, singing and many other SGA art forms being appreciated everywhere. I want people of my country to appreciate our culture and preserve it for many generations to come. I want my motherland to be scientifically advanced and technologically better. It will also be a country where agriculture is given special attention and every farmer is given economic help if he faces loss due to natural calamities. It will be a country where everyone takes the responsibilities of keeping the population in control. It will be a beautiful country where all the roads will be clean and there will be fresh air everywhere. There will be greenery all around and children do not have a shortage of playgrounds. More prosperity of humans is not enough. Preservation of wildlife and forests is also equally important. There will be no deforestation and people will plant more trees instead. I wish to live in India where all people are respected equally irrespective of their caste, color, creed or financial status, where women feel safe in the society and they are respected well. India is developing rapidly in almost every field, but still there is poverty in many parts of the country. There is a wide gap between the rich and the poor. India of my dreams will be powerful and developed country. There shall be no communal riots, crimes and explosions, where citizens will live united. Citizens will not suffer from bad health, hunger or unemployment. Thank you.
Good morning teachers, I am Atul Islam and presenting you the topic of India of my dream. I am from class 5C, roll number 17, so let's start. My dream is to see India as the most developed country, and my dream, India of my dream, will be a place where women can feel them secure. Everyone will get equal opportunities, and Indian military have latest technologized weapons so that no country would challenge India to fight. And India must have the best medical power so that no one will be suffer to the dangerous diseases. And India of my dream would be a place where everyone can get equal opportunities of careers, education and employment. India of my dream would be a place where there will no discrimination between religion and language and caste, etc. India of my dream will be the place where everyone is literate. No one, not even a single person is illiterate. And India of my dream would be a place where everyone enjoy with joy and happiness. No one can, and there will be no fight between the religion and language, the religion and caste. India of my dream would be a place where women can feel them secured, safe, and women can also get equal opportunities of employment and education and careers. And India of my dream would be a place where no pollution will be created by industries, and I also want to see India as the most developed country in the whole world. Thank you.
Good morning, respected professor, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Tanya from class 5A. Today I am here to say about India of my dream. I would like to bring India to the apex of scientific and technological progress, because the modern age in the age of science and information technology. The India of my dream would be an India that is self-sufficient in food. Agriculture would be given special attention, because agriculture is the backbone of India's economy. The India of my dream would be a country where women are safe, respected and people from all religions. Thank you.
सुप्रभात, मैं संस्कृति शुक्ला कक्षा 5 में पढ़ती हूँ। आप सभी गुरुजनों एवं प्रधानाचार्य को मेरा नमस्कार। आज मैं मेरे सपनों का भारत पर कुछ पंक्तियाँ प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। अरुणीय मधुमय देश हमारा, जहाँ बहुत अनजान क्षितिज को मिलता एक सहारा। किसी भी व्यक्ति की तरह, किसी भी आम नागरिक की तरह मेरी भी कुछ ख्वाहिशें हैं, कुछ उम्मीदें हैं, कुछ सपने हैं, और उन सपनों में एक भारत है। जी हाँ, मेरे सपनों का भारत। मेरे सपनों के भारत में हर व्यक्ति शिक्षित हो, हर हाथ में रोजगार हो, हर क्षेत्र में विकास हो, जाति के नाम पर भेदभाव न हो, भ्रष्टाचार न हो। मेरे सपनों के भारत में चारों ओर हरियाली ही हरियाली हो, प्रेम और शांति के गीत गाए जाएं, महिलाओं का सम्मान हो, कोई लिंग भेदभाव न हो। मेरे सपनों के भारत में हर व्यक्ति अपने आप को खुश एवं सुरक्षित महसूस करे। एक विकसित, खुशहाल एवं उन्नत देश के रूप में मैं भारत का सपना देखती हूँ, और ऐसा भारत बनाने के लिए जरूरी है कि हम सबको भारत से प्यार हो। और मैं अपनी बात को इन पंक्तियों से पूरा करना चाहती हूँ। जो भरा नहीं भावों से बहती, जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वह हृदय नहीं पत्थर है, जिसमें स्वदेश से प्यार नहीं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Everyone, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today, I, Sudhishri of class 5C, is going to give speech on India of my dream. India enjoys a rich culture, heritage, people belonging to different castes, creeds, and religions live peacefully in this country. The dream of my India has been national. The citizens are educated. I want a country where technology advance and see the growth of all the sectors. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Ashley of class 5E, row number 37. Today I am going to say something about India of my dream. I dream of an India where marketplaces, roads are clean, the highest standards of cleanliness and hygiene are maintained, where garbage is not spoilage on the road and animals are not remaining around on the streets. India of my dream, where farmers are respected as much any other professionals, where people are pensions as India, which is not only superior in science and technology but also in sports, where we are able to win maximum medals in Olympiad and other international games. This is the India of my dream. This is the India in which I want to live, the India of which I am proud citizen. This is my India, a great country. Thank you.
Morning everyone, and good morning to be all the teachers and principal. I will going to speak on the speech on the my India of dream. Let's start. In the India of dream, my every piece of memory, every citizen will be delivered. India will be each great height. It will be free of violence, terrorist, hunger, and suffering. It will be filled compassion, place of and happiness. Every Indian will happy. Every type of work will be respected. Highest standards of citizen and hygiene will be maintained. It India of my dreams. This is my India.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friend. Today I am here to say about India of my dream. My dream India would be technically and even economically developed. India have a strong military power as strong as any other nation, so that not any nation challenge India's boundary. Socially, India of my dream would be secular, but even religion shall have full freedom, function independently. Health for all that be aimed to at through medical and health care. To keep people free from distress and disease shall be the sole aim of the medical profession, not for profit but for service. India of my dream will free from poverty. Women are safe to walk freely on the street.
Good morning, all teachers. Today I am starting India of my dream. The India of my dream would be a country where women are safe and walk freely on road. Also, it will be a place where there is freedom of equality to all and everyone can enjoy it in their true sense. In the India of my dream, there will be place and harmony. Furthermore, it would be a fair place where there is no description of caste, color, gender, creed, social or economic status and rates. In addition, I see it as a place that sees an abudoi.
Principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today's topic is India of my dream. India of my dream will be a place where no gender discrimination and nobody will be uneducated and nobody will be forced to go to other countries to medical purposes, to medical treatments and jobs. Girls and boys will be treated equally. We can make our items and also purchase our items. The benefit of purchasing and making our items is the आदरणीय शिक्षिका महोदया, शिक्षकगण एवं प्यारे मित्रों, मैं आयुष राज कक्षा 5 का छात्र आज आपके सामने मेरा भारत कैसा हो प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। हमारा भारत ऋषि मुनियों और साधु संतों की पवित्र भूमि है। हमारे भारत का नाम राजा दुष्यंत के पुत्र भरत के नाम पर हुआ था। प्राचीन काल में इसे आर्यावर्त भी कहा जाता था। हमारा भारत कभी सोने की चिड़िया भी कहलाता था, पर आक्रमणकारियों ने इसे लूटने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी। हमारा देश 15 अगस्त 1947 को आजाद हुआ। फलस्वरूप संविधान द्वारा यह देश भारत के नाम से मानचित्र पर चमकने लगा। भारत ही वह देश है जहाँ गांधी, दयानंद, महावीर, बुद्ध जैसे महापुरुषों ने जन्म लेकर मानवता, सत्य, अहिंसा का मार्ग प्रशस्त किया। हमारे देश ने विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में भी प्रगति पा ली है। यही कृषि के क्षेत्र में हरित क्रांति और दूध।
Hello everyone, I am Janvi of class 5A. I start this speech. My name of speech is India is my dream. So start. The India is my dream would be country where women are safe and walk freely on the road. Also, it will be a place where there is a freedom of quality to all and everyone can enjoy it in their true sense. Furthermore, it will be a place where there is no discrimination of caste, okay? Color, gender, creed, social and etc. status and race. In addition, I
am an Indian. I love my motherland. I wish to make it an ideal country in the world. I dream of making India a richer, happier and healthier place to live in. I want to see my country progress in all fields of life. Unfortunately, today people have grown selfish. We always think of our own interests, but we do not think of the welfare of the nation. I like every Indian to have national character. The India of my dream, every man will have a high moral sense and a deep love for the nation. Our country is developing in the fields of science and industry. I want my country to be a leading country in new technology. Our industries should grow faster. We should produce everything of our need. Education will be available for everyone. India must be a very strong country. We have to protect our hard-earned freedom. India is a peace-loving nation. The India of my dream will follow the policy of truth and non-violence. We can gain peace only when we are very strong. The India of my dream will be a mighty country. Today,
My name is Nyasa Kumari. Today I will speak on India of my dreams. The India of my dreams would be a country where women are safe and work freely on road. Also, it will be a place where there is freedom, equality to all, and everyone and enjoy it in their trust sense. In the India of my dreams, there will be peace and harmony. There would be none naked, none starving, none without a proper roof in India of my dreams. Regards and respect of each of all, due consideration for the health of all, the best medical facilities. Health, wealth, and wisdom, these would be the keywords of life. How pleasant would
Nikashi of class 5A going to deliver a speech on the topic India of my dreams. My dream for my country, India, is that no one will be make any discrimination on the basis of caste, gender and color, etc. Everyone should respect each other. No one will be make a limit for girls. Girls will also be treated as same as boys in every section. No one will survive with poverty. Poverty will go out from our country. All will be treated with same respect. There will be not any violence matter. All will be live with peace. All live with their family happily. No one will be needed to use any foreign items. We will use only things which are made in India. This type of India is in my dream. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Jaya Bharti, student of class 5C, have got golden opportunity to speak about India of my dream. India of my dream is the country full with peace and harmony. Every citizen will be literate. India will reach great highest. It will be free from violence, terrorism, hunger and suffering. It will be filled with compassion, peace and happiness. Every Indian will be happy. Every type of work will be respected. Highest standard of cleanliness and hygienic will maintained. Where good health facilities, hospitals, good education, and where no one is afraid of speaking the truth. And
Good morning, sir, ma'am, and my friends. I am Aniket Anand of class 5A. Today I am going to deliver a speech on India of my dream. Friends, as we all know, India is a country of villages. Even today, the condition of villages are very critical. The condition of roads, electricity, hygiene must be improved. Villages in next, it would be a country where women can save and walk freely at the road. There will be no discrimination, color, caste, gender, social or economic